Years ago I still remember the way your heart spoke to mine. Like every shadow disappeared, like fate had drawn the line. We were just two souls in the silence, afraid but burning bright. And something in the way you touched me felt like home that night. Every road, every scar led me here to you. Every